Hey, good afternoon. Steve Zimmerman coming to you from sunny and warm Gulf Harbors on Florida's Gulf of Mexico. I know I'm always promoting Florida's waterfront lifestyle all year. But I just want to also let you know, we're probably one of the largest bird sanctuary areas on the Gulf Coast of Florida. It's truly unique coastal environment where you can actually see a dolphin and a bald eagle at the same time. Now obviously the bird up here that I'm recording isn't a bald eagle because bald eagles don't sing that I'm aware of, but I just thought you'd enjoy this mid-afternoon Columbus Day video. Anyway, you have a great day. You're interested in Florida's waterfront lifestyle, give me a call, 727-534-3226, or you can email me at steve@stevezimmerman.com. You have a great day. Enjoy your week. Thank you now.